Welcome to PrimeScoreX. In this video, we are focusing on skids, hydroplaning, jackknifes, tire failure, and emergency braking. The goal is to explain the major loss of control emergencies tested in CDL theory. This is not about memorizing isolated facts. It is about understanding the professional decision-making behind the CDL written test and using that understanding to answer questions with confidence. Emergencies happen fast, but the correct response is usually based on control. Do not make the second hazard worse. CDL students must understand how braking, steering, traction, and vehicle dynamics interact under pressure. The CDL written test usually rewards the safest legal decision, not the fastest or easiest one. When you study this topic, focus on the reason behind each rule. Ask what danger the rule prevents, what professional habit it builds, and how the wrong answer might create a second hazard. First core idea. Hydroplaning means tires lose road contact through water. Do not treat this as a definition only. Connect it to a real driving situation. The exam may describe the same idea through a scenario, a warning sign, a vehicle condition, or a choice between two actions that both sound reasonable. Second core idea. Skids require restoring traction and avoiding overcorrection. In CDL questions, wording matters. The answer may depend on whether the vehicle is loaded or empty, moving or stopped, on a downgrade or level road, in normal weather or reduced traction. Always read the situation before choosing the rule. Third core idea. Jackknifes involve trailer or tractor angle control in combination vehicles. Strong CDL preparation means connecting cause and effect. A safe driver can explain what happens next if a condition is ignored. That is exactly how many test questions are built. Fourth core idea. Tire failure requires firm steering and avoiding sudden braking at first. This is where professional judgment matters. The CDL exam is not only checking memory. It is checking whether you can select the action that protects people, equipment, cargo, and your license. Use a repeatable study method. First, hold the wheel firmly and maintain direction. Second, ease off the accelerator when traction is lost. This keeps your study organized and prevents the common mistake of jumping straight into practice questions before the concept is clear. Third, avoid hard braking until control allows it. Fourth, steer smoothly and choose the least harmful path. The purpose of practice is not only to see whether you are right. The purpose is to understand why the right answer is safe, legal, and professionally defensible. If a front tire blows out at highway speed, the driver's first job is steering control. Sudden braking can worsen loss of control. The vehicle should be stabilized before speed is reduced safely. When a question appears, do not rush to the answer choices. First, identify the condition. Vehicle condition, road condition, traffic condition, driver condition, cargo condition, or legal requirement. Then ask which action reduces risk without creating a new problem. That order protects you from attractive but unsafe answers. A common mistake is slamming the brakes during every emergency. Another mistake is oversteering after a skid begins. Both mistakes come from studying too loosely. The fix is to slow down during review and force every answer to connect to a clear rule or safety principle. Another trap is forgetting that locked wheels cannot steer effectively. CDL questions often include small words that change the entire meaning. Watch for first, best, safest, not, except, before, after, loaded, empty, downgrade, and emergency. Before selecting an answer, confirm that you answered the exact question asked. Practice in short, focused sets. After each set, separate wrong answers into categories: content gap, reading error, rule confusion, number error, or judgment error. This turns practice into improvement. Random repetition without correction only repeats the same weakness. You are ready when you can describe the first safe action for each emergency without guessing. Use this memory cue: grip, steer, stabilize, slow, escape. Keep it simple. The goal is not to memorize a slogan. The goal is to have a quick mental checklist that helps you recognize what the question is really testing. The final takeaway is simple. Study the concept, identify the condition, choose the safest legal action, and review every miss until the pattern improves. That is how CDL theory becomes exam readiness and professional judgment. Study smarter, score your best.